Okay, this is tunnel number 11 on the old Coal and Coke Railway. This is in Braxton County on Slab Camp Road. This is the north end of tunnel number 11, the old Coal and Coke Railway. It was abandoned in January 2022 as far as service. I don't think the company's actually abandoned the line yet as far as ownership. You see the brick facade on this side is starting to break off. This is the center of the tunnel number 11. This is approaching the southern end of tunnel number 11. You see it starts to go back underwater. It's fairly deep at the entrance there. So we came in from the north end.